Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. This is Bitcoin. You're not going to look at it. I want us to start with gold. So you remember what I mentioned yesterday? On this chart, we were looking for a sell. We had a very good support here. This is a support based on the zigzag indicator. The price went below it. As we're speaking now, the price is somehow approaching the same level from the lower side. So this here is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price can pull back and touch this level, then that is going to be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we'll sell it there. We have our stop loss above the high of this candle. We're expecting the sellers to continue to push price even lower. So if the price goes up and touches this level, we'll be looking for a sell position. If the price breaks above it, then our next target is this one here. So we have a support, there is a break below, we have some resistance here, and then we have a resistance there. So this here is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. The next instrument which I want us to have a look at, the GBP USD. We still have our lines as we drew them yesterday. So you remember we drew this like this. We were expecting that the price was supposed to come back and touch this level here, then head straight to the lower side. Unfortunately, that did not happen. The price just went up as high as this point here before heading straight to the lower side. So as we're speaking now, we are still into a sell. We still expect sellers to take full control of whatever is happening now. Our stop loss, if you picked a sell position of the break which was here, or after the break which is here, your stop loss should be still at the high here. So we expect sellers to continue to push price down. We actually expect a break below this point, which is 1.21674. If the price breaks and closes below that level, then that will be a good place to continue looking for a sell positions from. A break below this point, we'll be looking for more sell positions. So the next instrument is Euro USD. We have that there. So USD so far, yesterday the price spiked to the lower side. You can see that this is what happened yesterday. We are in a very, very good downtrend. So we are looking for more sell positions on this chart. We had a shape here. It was violated yesterday. Had a shape there. And then we had another. So we have a very good resistance here. We have a very good resistance there. We have a resistance. We had a support. We had a support. We had a support. There is a break below it. So as we're speaking now, the price is went below it, came back above it. So this could have been the correct place to look for a sell from. There we had a level here which was broken. So if the price today can break below the previous day's lowest low, then this is going to be the best place to look for a sell from. So if the price can successfully break below the previous day's lowest low, which is this line here, then that will be a good indication that now we are continuing to the lower side. So we're supposed to keep looking for more sell positions, especially if the price can break below the level which I've just drawn. So the next instrument which I want us to have a look at, the US dollar Japanese yen. We have it here. We have it somewhere. It's here. So this chart here, we expected buyers to continue to push price to the upper side, especially after the previous month's close above this resistance. This is what I mentioned yesterday. I said that the price actually broke above a very significant resistance. This is the breakout candle. So we expect this month that the price needs to pull back and touch these two lines so that we pick a buy position at least up to this point here. So if you buy it within these two lines, we expect buyers to push price upwards at least up to this level here. So we are still into a buy, although we expect some correction back to this point, so that we pick a buy at the least risk possible with our take profit fixed at this point here. So the next instrument is the Brent oil. At the Brent oil, so far we have a very good level here. This is a very good resistance. We have another one at the top, and then we have a support. This should be a support now that the price is above it. We have another level here, and then you have another one here. So this will be a good place to buy from up to this point. The next target is the one we have at the top. In case the price goes below this point, then the next buy place is this one here. This is 86.255. If you buy it, if the price pulls back down and touches this point, and you pick a buy when the price is here, expect that buy to push us up to this point. And if the price breaks below it, then expect this level 86.255 to be the best place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.